Why would Revolut decline a payment? Why would Revolut decline a payment? Revolut is a money app with a card that you can use to buy stuff. You can save money, you can spend money, you can do all the other stuff. But sometimes your payment gets blocked even if you have money in your wallet. Why? So, here are some of the reasons. You might have money in your account, but it's not in the currency your card is using. So not enough money in the right currency can actually cancel your payment. Card linked to a low balance pocket. Sometimes people forget to check the balance on their card. If your card is tied to a pocket like a mini wallet inside Revolut with no money, then the payment gets declined. Then Revolut might actually block a payment if it looks suspicious, like buying something weird or expensive. They might actually block the payment. It's part of their ways of trying to ensure everyone is safe on the platform. Sometimes people try to buy stuff from shops or websites that don't take Revolut cards. So if the vendor or the seller does not support Revolut, of course Revolut has no choice but to cancel that payment. If your card or app is not updated, the system might actually also cancel the payment, because we're trying to make sure that everyone is safe on the platform. If you are having wrong currency settings, if your card is set to spend from euros but then you are buying in dollars, it might not actually work unless you fix it in the app. So something to just think about. If your account gets flagged or frozen and Revolut thinks you are doing shady stuff with your account, then obviously they'll block your payments. Subscriptions. Sometimes if you are paying for Netflix, Spotify, and your balance is low, of course Revolut would decline to top up, to process that payment until you top up. Of course, people have so many complaints and say sometimes they don't get help when that happens. But those are some of the reasons why payments might be blocked on Revolut.